Hey everyone, welcome back to Triplezon. Are you tired of throwing away spoiled food and struggling with a cluttered refrigerator? Finding a reliable way to preserve your favorite meals can save you both time and money. Today we are looking at the best vacuum sealer machine to completely upgrade your home kitchen management. Let's get started. When it comes to redefining your daily food preservation, the Ruo vacuum sealer machine is an absolute game changer. This stylish food saver beautifully combines raw power, smart versatility, and an incredibly sleek design. Equipped with a highly robust 230W motor and premium heating elements, this machine quickly seals a huge variety of ingredients. From fresh meats and delicate cheeses to your everyday vegetables, it perfectly locks in freshness while saving valuable refrigerator space and massively minimizing your food waste. One of the most impressive features of this fantastic device is its incredible versatility. It offers 10 intelligent modes to effortlessly handle completely diverse food types and preparation styles. You can easily choose from dry, moist, damp, canning, pulse vacuum, and manual seal modes. It even allows you to intelligently adjust the vacuum pressure between gentle and standard to perfectly suit delicate or robust items. You can conveniently stop the operation at any exact moment, giving you complete and total control over the entire sealing process. Security and reliability are major priorities when storing food long-term, and the Ruo vacuum sealer truly excels in this area. It features an incredibly upgraded double-layer seal and a 12mm wide heating bar to provide extra protection against annoying spoilage and leaks. Whether you are prepping for sous vide cooking, organizing long-term freezer storage, or heavily marinating meats, this machine consistently delivers a super tight, long-lasting seal. This professional-grade performance ensures your ingredients remain perfectly safe and ready whenever you need them. Beyond its amazing technical features, this device is completely designed with ultimate user convenience in mind. It beautifully features a handy snap-on handle, a built-in storage compartment, and a brilliant dual-direction cutter, perfectly combining top-tier functionality with sleek, compact aesthetics. To make things even better, it includes a fantastic starter kit featuring bag rolls, pre-cut bags, and external vacuum accessories. The built-in knives and storage compartments massively simplify your bag customization, making it an incredibly attractive and useful addition to any modern countertop. Are you ready to lock in maximum freshness and transform how your meals are stored at home? Check the price link in the description to find out more wonderful details and instantly grab yours today. If you enjoyed watching this video and found the information helpful, please like and subscribe to Triplezon for more fantastic content. We are highly dedicated to bringing you the absolute coolest kitchen gadgets and everyday tools. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Have a wonderful time cooking, and we will see you very soon.